Alright, well, it's been pretty quiet until now. Got some kind of big bite on there. Just trying to troll us out a little bit from the rocks here. Ooh, that looks like a nice big bass there. Ooh, yeah. See if we can get him in the boat. Big boy. Big boy. All right. Finally on the board. Finally on the board with something here. Quiet day. This one's big. So we're gonna try to get the hook out of there. There we go. So we got a pretty big bass here. Get a glimpse of him. Get him on the scale here. See what we got here. 4.14. Ah, it's a nice bass. Nice bass. We'll grab a picture with him. Little selfie there. Hopefully you can get a glimpse of how big he is. Alright, so we're here at Rosmer Pond. I'm getting bashed up against the rocks here. Got a little spinner bait on there. Got him barely hooked. We're gonna get him unless he breaks free. That barely hookedness. Wow. Okay. Rosmer Pond in Maine. Hopefully we're recording. Just pulled that beauty out. I'm gonna try to just push myself out. Holy crap, that is big for this area, for this pond. We got, hold on, sorry, my hand's moving a little bit. 4.54. We're just trying a little something new here, doing a little trolling with my, whew, that guy's got some fight to him. Got some fight to him. Doing a little trolling. See if we can get you. Sorry, I hadn't set up my camera here. And I'm all caught up in my lines. I was doing a little trolling. I got a canoe. I'll have to do a little fixing and stuff here. Doing a little trolling. That's a fat boy right there. Got my lines all crossed up, but that's okay. There we go. We'll figure out the lines in a minute. Wow, that's a chunker right there. See if we can grab us a picture while we're at it here. I got what feels to be a good one here, but he really took me in the grass hard. Oh shit. That's a monster. Holy crap. Do not jump off. Do not jump off. Do not jump off. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. That is a fudging monster. Holy cow. Okay. That is the biggest bass I've caught. I am certain of it. I can tell just by it's hard to hold him. Holy cow. I'm going to take a couple videos of this one. Hang on. Alright, I don't know if that's bad luck or not, but 6.66. That is the biggest bass I've caught. Let's see. Approximate length is 24. Alright, well, I don't even know if you can get them all in the picture. That's the biggest bass I've caught. There's a personal best. 6.66. Fat. Solid. Gosh, look at the size of the mouth on that thing. That is a chunk of a fish. I'm gonna put him back. Oh yeah, we got another big guy. We got another big guy. Don't break off. Don't break off. Please 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 don't break off. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh man, it's another big guy. He took it right into the weeds though. Sugar. Don't break off. Don't break off. Don't break off. Oh, don't break off. Please, please. Oh shit, yeah. This is another monster. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, trying not to curse or anything. Oh, man. This one might be as big as the last one, or holy cow. Even bigger. Oh, man. I hit my new personal best only to get my new personal best. 6.79. This guy is almost 25 inches. Holy cow. I got my new personal best followed by my new personal best. Holy cow. Look at the size. I'm not even holding this thing out. This is touching me. 25 inches, just about 6.79 pounds. That is insane. I'm going to try taking another. Alright, well, we're starting off our morning here. Just kind of steamed about a half hour to the spot I wanted to get to. There we go. Oh yeah, that's one of them big boys again. Look at that. That's what we were looking for over here. This is where the big boys were. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the big boys. I'm trying to be quiet around here. I don't want to wake them up. I'll get some scales on this guy. This guy's pretty heavy. Starting off the morning with this nice chunker here. I just scaled him up. He was 5 pounds 2 ounces. 20 inches long. Oh yeah, there we go. There's one of those monsters. Oh. Holy cow. There we go. Wow. Okay. So, for those of you who did not catch... Oh, holy shit. Yep, that's one of those guys again. For those of you who did not catch my earlier video where I caught my 2 personal bests, well, think that's one of them again. I can tell by how heavy they are to lift. Oh, these guys are monsters over here. He's cold, but he's big. Holy cow. That's beautiful. Get an idea of how big he is. We'll scale him up. Fat. Solid. Oh yeah. I'd say that's one of those ones I caught before and that has fattened up now. Because he is now 8 pounds on the button. Let's see if we get a measurement on him again. Like all I have to get the measurement on this guy, he is 24 inches. Alright, here's the 8-pounder. 24 inches long. Monster. Beautiful fish. Alright. Well, got something on here. So this is the first time at this spot. Just kind of checking off another location. Whatever it is spinning me in circles. I don't know what's in here, and that's a big bass. Whoa. That's what that is. Oh, man. Okay. I heard there was big bass in this. Holy cow. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's a big bass. Wow, I heard there was big bass in this water. I think so, yes. I don't know if I got a fish or weeds. I feel like I got a head shake there. I was just heading back to the river where I came from, so I could start making my way back to my car. Ooh, Nelly. That's a fatty. Okay, how you doing? Let's keep you happy. That's gonna be the big one of the day right there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a donkey. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He was hiding down there in the grass. Look at that. Get some numbers on him in a second. Right, so that donkey right there, he weighed 5 pounds 7 ounces. I'm just gonna get a measurement on him. Curious how big he is. He is 21 inches. 21 inches, 5 pounds 7 ounces. Rawr, look at that. Nice guy right there.